somewhere up in the misty Blue Mountains of Jamaica, at 2,600 feet above sea level. There's a 200-year-old estate hiding one of the world's most wanted secrets. We're talking Irish Town in St. Andrew, winding mountain roads, and a coffee experience so good, it genuinely surprised me. Once you learn about this place, you'll completely understand why. This is Craighton Estate, and it is not your average coffee tour. The estate dates back to the 18th century. Over 200 years of history, sitting right here in these mountains. Here's the part that blew my mind. It's actually owned by a Japanese company called UCC, the Ushima Coffee Company. They purchased it back in 1981 and have been meticulously farming and exporting Blue Mountain coffee ever since. 70% of what they grow goes straight to Japan, and the rest goes to other countries around the world. None of it is sold in stores here in Jamaica. You cannot walk into a supermarket in Jamaica and buy Craighton Estate Blue Mountain coffee. If you want it, you either purchase it abroad or you come here, right to this estate. Before we even get to the coffee tasting, the tour starts with a really engaging lecture on the history of coffee in Jamaica and the history of Craighton Estate.
But the 150 acres, 120 acres, 140 acres, 160 acres on the side, they're all run by locals.
Okay.
But the Japanese, what they do, they buy their coffee.
You learn how the cool climate, rich soil, mountain mist, and rainfall all come together to create the perfect conditions for one of the most sought-after coffees on the planet. Blue Mountain coffee isn't just famous because of good marketing. The geography literally does something special to these beans. After the lecture, the cup was placed in front of me, and I tasted the coffee. It was smooth, rich, and had this almost velvety quality that I have never experienced in any other coffee. No harshness. Just a warm, perfectly balanced cup that made me feel like I needed to slow down and simply be present. If you are loving this journey so far, do me a favor and tap that like button. After the tasting, we headed out for a hike, up to the coffee farm at 3,000 feet above sea level. The air up there is crisp and clean. The views are absolutely breathtaking. You can see Kingston Harbor, Port Royal, and Portmore all at once. You're surrounded by coffee plants, and this incredible sense that you are somewhere truly special. Then they let us tour the Great House. Standing inside a 200-year-old Jamaican great house, fully renovated, with the mountains right outside the window. That's a feeling that's hard to put into words. It's history you can touch. You're not reading about it in a textbook. You're standing in it, breathing it in. Craighton Estate isn't just a coffee tour. It's history, nature, culture, and flavor, all wrapped into one morning in the mountains. Whether you're a coffee lover or not, this experience will leave a mark on you. If you're planning a trip to Jamaica, this needs to be on your list. And if you live here like me, then you should visit.